so fast. Welcome to the Savage Productions YouTube channel. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Savage Productions YouTube channel. We have a few things in the shop today that we want to cover. This is a nice saline Mustang. I'll talk with Dad in a little bit to see exactly what we're doing. But this thing's pretty nice. It's got this nice orange wrap on it. We actually just finished up this V6 right here. We're going to take it for its first drive. We did a ported intake, cold air intake, the BBK shorties. We got some shorties in there. Catback exhaust, Borla catback exhaust, and then 373 gears and an aluminum drive shaft, and also a tune. But we're going to take it for a ride here in just a little bit and see what's going on there. And we also have a GTR, R35 GTR. We just put some splitters on it, and we're actually going to put some more splitters on it. That's kind of like the side splitters today. But I'll get the camera turned around and show you this car. So this is actually a customer brought it to us. It's an Alpha 9 package. Makes about 860 or something like that to the wheels. Really sweet looking car. He just bought it from New York. And we put this nice carbon fiber splitter on the front. And we're going to put some on the sides here in just a bit. I think we're going to be pulling that in after we get this other V6 cranked up. As soon as he showed up, I said, we got a V6 that might give you a run for your money over here. A little V6 on V6 crime. Thing doesn't sound bad. Battery was a little dead, so we had a jumper. We also did a UPR catch can on it. Forgot about that. So Dad says you can actually hear the intake a little bit. Jeez. You can hear it. Got quiet all of a sudden.
It still has catalytic converters on it.
Yeah. V6 life.
Watch out, boy.
You gonna take it for a little ride, make sure
Yeah.
it feels good?
Boy, it shifts nice and firm and quick.
Yeah. That tune. Jeez.
Yeah.
What tune is this?
It's just an 80. It's an 87 performance tune.
I thought it was a 93 performance tune.
No, he wanted me to load the 87 performance tune.
Okay.
Because his wife's going to be driving it.
Oh. So everything seems good so far. Seems like there's a little bit of sound in the transmission. I thought it might have been the rear end, but I got out of the car and checked it out. It wasn't the rear end. It was towards the front.
Yeah.
Just like a tiny little clunk whenever you
put it in gear.
Whenever you put it in gear.
The rear end's nice and quiet.
Yeah.
They would just downshifted on its own.
Did it?
Yeah.
Thought you hit the brake.
No.
Friggin' thing. They bumped up the friggin' line pressure on that one or something.
Yeah, they did.
That shift, man.
That shift is at 7,000.
Jeez. Was that full bore?
Yeah.
I think the Focus ST could still give a little bit of run for its money.
Yeah, it's definitely. It needs the 97 or the 93 tune in it.
For 97, geez.
Yeah, that'd be something. Yeah, it needs the 93 tune, but.
I thought you were half throttle or something.
No, that was it.
Huh.
I don't know. That's like so.
V6 life.
The company that he got it from is. We're gonna go out this way so I can get up to some speed.
Make sure
I like the way the transmission shifts. So.
Yeah. I mean, you'd think that it would be not as crazy on the 87 tune now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like not really comfortable.
That's just a little bit of throttle, not much.
Yeah.
See, that's why you can tell they don't have a lot of timing up top.
Yeah.
It's real responsive. Like that was like not even a quarter throttle right there.
Yeah.
But when you
truck's coming, better get out of the way.
It's real responsive.
to shift like a lot sooner.
Yeah. But it pulls all the way. I mean, its red line is about 6,800.
Yeah.
So they got it shifting right around 68, 69.
Huh.
It just needs more timing. So with this 87 tune, they should have it shifting sooner. As far as normal driving, yeah, the shifting's a little bit too firm.
Yeah.
But for normal driving on 87 octane, it feels really good. The throttle response is really quick.
Yeah.
And sensitive. And, I mean, it feels like it's got a lot of power just by the driving of it.
Right.
But
then you get on it.
But then you get on it and it's like, where's it at? But that's what, you know, 87's for,
yeah.
you know.
Needs the other 6 octane levels there.
Yeah, it's just kind of designed to be cruising around having fun and not worrying about getting on it.
Right.
And still get good gas mileage, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Well, his wife's going to be the one driving it because he's still away. He's in, was he in Kuwait? He's still deployed.
Oh yeah.
But
veteran.
That's why he wanted me to load the 87 tune, because when she does take it out and drive it, you know. But I have 3 tunes on the tuner for him. The 93 Performance, the 87 Performance, which is what this one is, and then an 87 Economy.
Okay.
So the Performance is probably the shifting. So
yeah.
If I went with the Economy, then it would probably be softer.
I gotcha.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Cool dude.
Cool. All right, so we're here with the owner of GTR, Brandon. We actually just put the splitter on this other side, and we're turning it around, but I got to go. So he promised us a ride. That's what the splitter looks like on the bottom there. And then we had the front, did the front already. Needed some modifications to make it work, but it looks pretty good on there. He's going to do the other one after I leave, but we're going to go ahead and he's going to take us for a little launch. And he's going to take me for a launch. I'll record from the inside, and then Dad's going to get in, and I'm going to record from the outside too. So it should be pretty cool.
Just want to go right here.
Yeah, just right here. He pulls pretty good.
Yeah.
Coming in hot.
I know. Brakes are solid though.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah, once it builds up the correct amount of boost,
Yeah.
it feels really nice. It takes a second though sometimes.
Yeah. And all-wheel drive, it's kind of skipping all over the place.
Oh, I know, you feel that?
Yeah.
I'm never really worried about it like fishtailing out or anything like that.
Yeah. It's like, oh shit, what do I hold on to?
I don't know, there's no shit.
Yeah. You just gotta hang on. Jeez. Man, I bet this thing friggin' opens up on the highway.
Oh, it does. That's where I like doing the little the drives for people.
If you could just foot brake it, I'd say it probably won't spin all that much.
No, I don't think so. Jeez,
Yeah.
look down the speedo. Next thing you're going fucking 85, dude. That's so fast.
Well, it's a good thing there's no speed limits here in Mexico. Man,
We're in Tijuana.
Seriously, it felt like I was on a roller coaster. Just like, you know how they just take off?
Yeah.
Jeez.
That's fun.
I mean, you could tell it's not even like trying to break traction.
Oh no, not at all.
Yeah, just that if you had that launch control, it would just build the boost on the line. And you just
Yeah, it was only, I mean, if you could call that a launch, we were only launching at 2,000 RPM.
Yeah.
So I mean, nothing.
that's probably like 4 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have fun with this thing, man. Once you get used to it,
Oh, I know.
it's
We're
crazy.
on this corner and do like a second gear pull. Yeah, like second gear, 30 miles an hour. That's the fun stuff.
to figure out the launch control on that thing. It bogged real bad and was a little lazy. But man, once that boost comes in, it just takes off. It's crazy, dude. That Alpha 9 package. Shifted early. Freaking love the sounds that thing makes, man. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me at the shop today. Just kind of wanted to catch you all up on what was going on here. I know I'm squinting a lot because it's really freaking bright outside and I was just inside. I'm going to catch you up on some of these other projects in future videos. We have this Saline Mustang. We're actually doing a compression check on it, and a little bit of a tune-up. Not like a tune, but a tune-up. And then this is going to be a 408 stroker build based off of the 351 Windsor that came in it. It's going to be a pretty gnarly little truck once it's all done. But I'll catch you up on those in some future videos. If they stay here long, I know this truck is going to be here for a while because the big build that we're doing. I'll be looking for videos on that coming out here soon. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you want to see updates on any of these kind of builds that we're doing and stuff like that. And catch y'all in the next video.